Release wire harness and ground wire off of the timer. Remove 3 hex head screws. Pull the timer up and off. The cam pulls off with the timer shaft and the follower will be loose. Remove 2 1/4-inch hex head screws, one on either side, to lift the push button switch up and out. Lift latch assembly off of the door frame. Push the switch pins out of the switch mounting holes to release them from the latch bolt. Release the wire harness. Release 2 tabs, one on each side. The console is removed through the front of the door frame. Ensure door is closed. Note the location on the adjuster bar. Release spring from bottom, then top. To lift the door frame off of the tub frame, spread the door hinge arm's locking tab with a flat blade screwdriver. Repeat for the other side. Pull the door frame up and off. Disconnect the water inlet hose. Unplug the wire harness connector. Remove 1 1/4-inch hex screw. Release the cover on the float switch housing to access the float switch.